Welcome to Mobile Vaani moderation tutorial. In this video, I'll show you a brief about the role of moderation in Mobile Vaani before getting into discussing the detailed process and the further steps. Moderation is a crucial process to ensure quality, quantity, and flow of content contributed by community members over the Mobile Vaani IVR and mobile application. It helps in segregating content through tags and categories, which in turn yield better data for reporting. A moderator listens to all the content, check its relevance based on the existing Mobile Vaani moderation policy. Moderators play an important role in highlighting community-level issues which are often not emphasized in other media streams. Moderation helps us understand what users are talking about while preparing reports or in monitoring and evaluation of ongoing programs and campaigns. It also helps us understand participation demographics and topic preferences of people for data analysis. For example, you can get to know the gender participation in an ongoing Mobile Vaani program. Moderation provides insights for content performance and user needs. You can also extract qualitative and quantitative data and specify their locations. Here's a glimpse about what all functions you'll be performing in a moderation interface. Some basic functions include listening to the audio, adding title to an item, entering details such as location and gender, assigning of tags, qualifier, and format of the content, rating the content, saving your work, selecting campaign category, and writing transcription. Here's an example of a quantitative stats generated through content moderation. And this is another example of a qualitative data obtained from moderation. Detailed user-generated content can be studied qualitatively, like here's a program we ran on ORS consumption for children during diarrhea. The moderated content can be found at the public interface, which looks like this. These audio content can be shared through links for monitoring evaluation and documentation of reports. Log into the moderation interface by using your login ID and password. You can either type in search your desired instance or select by scrolling up and down the item list. Click the desired instance and you'll see a page of the instance which are divided into unmoderated, publish, and search tabs. Audios recorded by users land on the unmoderated section. These unmoderated items, after being moderated, are available for the larger Mobile Vaani IVR and app audience, and they get listed in the Publish section. And with Search tab, you can search audios based on date, type of content, and any other metrics. So let's first get started with the unmoderated section. To moderate any unmoderated item, you can click on it anywhere to expand the audio. Click on the Load Audio option and play to listen to it. Based on the audio, mark the location of where the audio came from, either by typing the location or scrolling up and down, and find from the list. After marking the location, mark gender of the person who contributed that audio. Then choose the format of the content. Say for example, this audio content is an interview by our volunteer, so I mark here interview. Qualifier option indicates the mood of that particular content. For the first-time callers, their mobile number will be shown next to the qualifier option. Click on the number and a pop-up of contributor details will show up. Fill in their name and details and save it so that you can identify them for further use. Now the name is shown instead of the mobile number. Name a proper title to the content. This title should be indicative enough in such a way that anyone who sees it will be able to get a sense of the content without even listening to it. After assigning a title, come to the tags on the right hand side. Tags are very important keywords that define the entire audio. Audios are mostly searched through these keywords. Tags are very precise and you can add more than one tag in an audio. You can use commas to separate between the tags. Now, save the details you have entered so far. After saving your work, type in details of the audio content in the transcription box. Transcription is not translation, but a brief detail of the audio content so that anyone can get a sense about what the person is talking in the audio. Keep saving your work whenever you add any details. Now come to the campaign drop-down and choose the appropriate campaign for that content. The combination of tags and campaign name help in providing the entire picture of a team. You can also mark multiple campaigns from the drop-down list. Save it again and publish the audio in the Mobile Vaani IVR or mobile application. To publish the content, click on the Action menu, where you will see 4 options, namely Publish, Archive, Rejected, and Unmoderated. Click on the Publish option and now the item will be available in the Published section and not in Unmoderated section anymore. You can also go to the search option to find any item with the help of state of the content, tags, date, phone number of the user, and many other matrices. If you find any content or item which is not relevant anymore, then you can archive it. Archived items will not be available in the Publish section, but you can find them through the search option. Please log out after you're done with moderation.